Alright everyone, Josh Ron here, and I just got in a new shipment from Amazon. So I don't know if you've been watching the DJI OSMO. I'm building up my camera from scratch. I bought the Osmo, DJI OSMO. I actually bought a USB-C adapter, a new case to go on it, and all this is for is to set up the microphone on it as well. So I got the microphone today, and it's it's a knockoff from one of the other brands. It's on Amazon. It's about 20-30 bucks. You can install it on top of your DSLRs or your smartphones, or you can put it on top of your action cams. It's pretty durable. Sounds pretty quality. Sound is pretty good. The price is really great. It's half the price of one of the other top name ones out in the market now. So what I'm gonna do is just open it up and show you how this product's gonna work. And also too, I brought along my Osmo camera, and in my other video you'll see there's my adapter that I ordered just for this. So I'm putting my adapter on now because we're getting closer and closer to getting this thing really looking nice. So anyway, back to unboxing this. The box is pretty sturdy. It's got tape on the outside here, probably to keep people from Okay, the tape is pretty easy to take off. So this comes with a nice fluffy little thing here to mute the sound off. Really good material, actually. Feels almost like a genuine fake fur coat. It also comes with a instruction book for the universal microphone here. It's got some do's and don'ts. It says 3.5 millimeter connection. It's got some tips for the boom mic and everything. We'll read that later. Built for audio, this company, VIP. It says thank you for picking this product out. And if you join there, you get 6 months extended warranty. And we'll be doing that anyway. I always do these things. I know they're kind of cheesy people and you don't like them, but I do them because I get free stuff out of it. And it's easy to do. Just leave a good feedback rating on Amazon. Alright, so if you didn't open up the bag, the mic comes in. It's pretty nice leather bag here. Definitely pretty durable. You look at the mic here. It's covered in plastic. Not too big. Very lightweight. Like I said, you can check some of the other videos out in the sound quality. I probably will do one later, but for me it's a little bit harder to get sound quality videos on. So there's your mic. Here's your 3.5 millimeter connection on it. Here's your mic on this end. Let's see what else is in the bag. There is your wire, the 3.5 millimeter wire to connect it with the springy thing, which is pretty cool. Also, there is another 3.5 millimeter one without the springy thing in case you want to do a close. You don't want this hanging off or hanging dangling from your camera. So it gives you options. Here's your boomstick. Keep the balance. Here's another microphone cover. That's pretty cool. And there's that do not eat, that plastic stuff, you know, that silicone stuff which we'll throw away. So overall, comes with the mic, which goes on pretty simple right here. This just slides right into your clip here. It just slides right on like this. You have the thread on the bottom here, which you can use for your camera as well to connect. So you have that part. You have your two 3.5 millimeter springy one and regular one. You have your fur mic cover, and you also have the regular foam one as well. And it comes with a cool little carrying bag, which will go inside my other box when I take my camera on the road. So it's pretty easy to use, really. You can use it with your iPhone, your smartphone. The straight wire here is designed for smartphones, tablets, and Macs. And then for cameras and stuff like that, you want to use your springy one here as well. But you can use either one. They both work great. So that is it pretty much. That's a quick little unboxing for this microphone. That's it. Pretty quick unboxing for the microphone. Go out and try it. It saves you I think I paid $24 on Amazon, which is cheaper than the other one. It's Big Brother, which is like $50. There is sound quality tests on YouTube. You can check those out as well. I'll probably do one, but it won't be anytime soon. So I would just check out some of the other fellow YouTubers and see what they posted about it. But my associate has this. It works great. And if you're new into just trying to set up a camera or setting up your own channel, this is a great intro. And if you like start blowing up or you want to do bigger and better things, you can buy the new one. But overall, this is what you get. It's a great deal. 20 some odd bucks. I'm going to connect it to my Osmo DJI camera with my PGY T-Tech case with my Sonova 3.5mm jack, and it's going to be a great camera. Once I get that all set up, I'll let you know and post a video. Everybody be safe, just run out. Make sure you like, subscribe if you and you want me to continue to keep doing them. Thank you.